Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect your PS5 controller to your iPhone running iOS 26. To do it, all you need to do is go to the settings on your iPhone first, then go to Bluetooth, and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Then on your PS5 controller, press and hold on two buttons at once, the PlayStation button and the share button, which is right here, until the light starts blinking blue, like that. Now it should appear as DualSense wireless controller. And you can see it's now connected. And if you go into any app that utilizes the controller, then it'll work. I'm gonna show you that right now. And as you can see, I have opened an app that supports a controller, and now I can play using that controller, right? And I hope that this video was helpful. By the way, as the last thing, I'm gonna show you if there are any settings for the controller in the settings app, because sometimes there are. Let's go to the Bluetooth, then go to the controller. Here we don't have any, but if you go to like your, I think, general, then you'll see game controller, yes. And now you can see profiles, and in the profiles you can, for example, set a color for your controller. Let's see if it actually changes the color. If I save it, yes, it does change the color, so it actually works. And you can, of course, reassign all the buttons on the controller. You can set different shortcuts here. The haptic feedback can be changed, and you can do some controller shortcuts, like for example this home button. I think this is the home button, will open games. And yes, it does. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.